Hi, do you want to see my new book? I just finished this one. I made it with a friend. We had a great time. It's got real seashells on it, which I really enjoyed. And we made a bead dangle with stars and turtles. It's pretty fun. Let's take a look inside. First time putting a pocket on the front cover. I really enjoyed that. Different tags and papers. This one is full of math papers and other papers that you'd think of when you go on the ocean. Here's a little beach ball. This paper was dyed with blueberry juice. We have an envelope. It says, "Ladies on beach must wear bloomers." So thought that was kind of funny. Seashells. A little pocket I sewed. Receipt papers. Maps. You always find maps on the ocean. Here's a little tuck spot. This one, oh, there's a seagull. That was my last minute addition. He was fun. This pocket was made out of some old clothing, and it reminded me of seashells and more tags and tucks. Fold out pages. We put some charms. This is a what is that? Starfish. Lighthouse. Some music to sing while you're on the ocean. Some more cards. This one's cute. This is some leather scraps. So I put in a few verses that I printed out with the sea icons or whatever those are called. This is the Sailor's Alphabet poem from A to Z. It was quite cute. And a large envelope made out of a page. There's the captain. And the big whale. My kids are calling him the whale that ate Jonah. So I put, there's 3 tabs. This one has a treasure chest on it and a dictionary page. I've never done one of those in my books before. It's got sea words on it. There's 2 little kids at the beach. So cute. And a little girl with her kitty cat. One more map. Little bit of lace sewn in, not too much. This is a little tuck spot. Some more of that blue paper. And there's the end. Thanks for watching.